this video, I'm gonna show you how to use DeepSeek for keyword research. So, DeepSeek is an AI tool that can help you with SEO by researching keywords that you should use. So if you need to research keywords, you can just simply ask it, for example, find 5 or 10 keywords, let's say 10 keywords, or let's say high traffic keywords. And now I'm gonna just send it, and you can, as I have created the keywords for home workouts with beginners, then if you have a blog about home workouts for beginners, it'll create you keywords that you can use for your blog post, so it generates higher traffic. So now let's just wait until it generates it. Also, there's quite a lot of traffic on the website, so you can see the server is busy again, but it's not that DeepSeek cannot generate it, it's just because it is pretty busy right now, because a lot of people use it since it was just released recently. So let's just wait. And you can see it has, after second time or the second try of regenerating it, it has generated my 10 high traffic keywords related to home workouts for beginners that I can target for SEO or content creation. So for example, beginner home workout routine, easy home exercises for beginners, no equipment home workouts, etc. So these are popular among people starting fitness journeys at home. So this is how you create it. You can also, based on that, for example, ask it to write you some, give you some post outline that will fit those keywords. So So now I said that it should write me an outline that will fit those keywords. It's gonna be my first post, so make it a grading post. Let's wait until it responds. Usually it should respond straight away, but since it's kind of busy right now, it takes more time, but I hope in a few days it will be sorted and you won't have to wait for so long and regenerate those responses. So let's just wait until it generates it now. And you can see it has done it. So it's given me a title, an introduction, etc. So all the sections, section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. And at the end, it is also pretty important. In content creation, the CTA was included. So it said to ask readers to leave a comment sharing their fitness goals or questions, encourage them to share the post with friends who might also be interested in home workouts. So it is pretty great. And now based on that, you can also let's say, write a post based on the outline, including the keywords mentioned earlier. And now it'll generate the post based on the outline it has given me. You feel free to also tweak it up a bit to make it more your style. So you can, for example, omit some sections or add something on yourself. Okay, I'm gonna regenerate it and let's hope for the result now. Okay, so it is even not wanting to generate more because of the traffic on the website. So I'm gonna try to regenerate it once again. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna... Okay, it doesn't generate it, so I'm gonna end this video without the last response. But just so you know, as you can see, we've generated the keywords, the outline, asked it to generate the post itself. It is capable of doing that, but it's just that the servers are busy at the moment because that service was just released. Although if you are trying to do this in a few days, then it should work just fine, so you can try it out on your own. Feel free to ask more questions in the comments as well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.